DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector.
Gang. What's good, YouTube? Gang, you don't know what time it is. Dan is back in the
Hey boy! You know gun people.
Yeah man, gang, you know, so Dan back in the lab and you know, I mean I say, yeah man, we're there with Prince Swanny, BBQ Badness. I see what dog a deal with that. We dog attack. This is this track. Oh, I go on Dan Mafia, I know. It's my boy jump right now vibes. Prince Swanny, BBQ Badness, I get it again.
Man down. Run it again, KP.
Alright. Come like, yeah, I want to start motion time music video. I like the editing of the video so far. You see me? Beat sound sinister.
Man down. Me not fiddle up with some shit, me no run up and down, me that's how I Jamaican. Them know my madness, not with the
Alright, come on.
badness. Them boy no school, them ain't fi learn about it. Know them off want it. Yeah, from time them see me tell them run up on my nose and nothing at the talking. Yeah, not pretty wild, but any day, anytime, tell them pussy start it. Yeah.
Any day, anytime, tell them start it. Come on, let's get into this one. Let's take it from top. Get me the vibes of that one. See your Prince Swanny, where's Swandon I deal with? Come in, man. Swandon, where are you doing?
Know them off want it. Pussy start it. Man down.
This one kind of a long start.
Me not fiddle up with some shit, me no run up and down, me that's how I Jamaican. Them know my madness, not with the badness. Them boy no school, them ain't fi learn about it. Know them off want it.
Sure.
Yeah, from
So I knows my badness now, do to madness. Alright.
time them see me tell them run up on my nose and nothing at the talking. Yeah, not pretty wild, but any day, anytime, tell them pussy start it.
Yeah, man saying it mean a long talk it every day already. Run up on me. Man saying in a little, you know, but I in a bag of long talking and shades. You see me? Come in. Come in, alright. I send some shots to some man.
Them ain't fi learn about it. Know them off want it. Yeah, from time them see me tell them run up on my nose and nothing at the talking.
Run up on me nuts, I mean and I talking. Come in.
Not pretty wild, but any day, anytime, tell them pussy start it.
Yeah.
Me govern the missile, see the gold and key, you know that I'm a design.
Yeah.
Bad we style, real life free fire. Every day me run it up, I saw me money.
What that we style, brother? You see me? After we think that. Come in, you know.
Make different thing I stop, so me switch it up. Put down the and things, now I be it all up.
Yeah.
So right for where they go to the crates and
Different things stop. Me switch it up. Colombian things would be a tall up, brother. Come in, man.
Every day me run it up, so me money get high. Make different thing I stop, so me switch it up. Put down the and things, now I be it all up. So right for where they go to the crates.
Pull on the hand things, now I be a tall up. Alright.
On the ground, one call, but me sell everything bag up.
Stepping on shit. Come on, alright. See that, okay? See that? Nigga ready to step on shit. That's what that nigga mean, nigga. Come on. Don't play with the dog. You see me? Yeah. Man ready to step on shit. You see me? I say, you know, ready to stand on business.
BBQ Badness, guns we lift up. Swing pan them men's match out so militant. Killing no innocent when we target the one. Shoot up them head what jiggly about. Make the party fist up.
Easy. Me tell her, you know. Yeah, man, from here, from see them shoes that I know, say that ready to step on bum buckley, stand on business. Come in.
Guns we lift up. Swing pan them men's match out so militant. Killing no innocent when we target the one. Shoot up them head
watch kill no innocent when we target the boy. Them what you mean? Come in.
We target the one. Shoot up them head watch jiggly about. Make the party fist up. Specials, 50 by 50 plus 200 rounds. Can feel like you're bad than what's the in you. No.
50 by 50 plus 200 rounds. Easy
Some psycho head sick will run in the fear. Them know, them heads suffer than quicksand. One shot to that, them head, them couldn't think long. The whole of them will buff up like the family a king casting chang. That time I plug the fit the big plan, know them time.
Easy now, yo, Prince Swanny on Demon Time, bro. Prince Swanny on Demon Time, come on.
Come in know them grind, anytime we a bleach you, all of them boy die. Fuck with the Z, my links worldwide. And no time for no peace, me only peace by my side.
Nigga ready to step on shit. Hey, don't play the dog.
Don't make them no Baghdad.
Baghdad, easy now, man.
Still not resign.
Baghdad boss, you know, remember that drop a tune in Baghdad, you know.
Yo, heard my dogs at one time, see me? One way,
Swandon.
Z way, bad.
Swandon. Nah, ready to step on shit. You see them shoes that boy don't play with them there, you know. You see them book real shoes, yeah. That's the step on. That's the steppers. These are the steppers, bro. Stop playing with Prince Swanny. Prince Swanny really step on niggas. This nigga really step on shit. Yeah, I'm not playing. Yeah, man, gang, drop no comments. What do you think about the one there? You see me Swandon there in that building. I'm like, dog, ready. You see me? Nigga stand on business, bro. Don't play with Swandon, man. Yeah, man, drop no comments. What do you think about the one there? Who dog attack? That's not like dog send a message, you know. Like dog saying, ready again. You see me, ready for it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, we know in comments in the comment section. Drop your thoughts. Let me know what your favorite part, beats, lyrics, melody. You know what I'm saying? Visuals. Let me know. If you like, you show the artist some love and support. Make you know some Jambisco dancing. You already know, gang. We're there. We're vibe. We're look out. We're enjoy the music. You see, we're there. Pre-wagwan. Drop in the comments. Let me know anything. And let me know what's going on. You already know what time it is, gang. You don't know. Till next time, it's your boy Jambisco. Was there another banger? Take care of yourself and each other. I love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.